So go to File, Save As, and I'm going to call this Point View Control after the entity. Click on Save, then File, Run Map. And I'm not going to do a full rad rendering for this, so you guys are just going to have to live with overbright lighting. Okay. You may have heard before that we only use 10% of our brains. That's not true at all. MRI scans show just how active our brains are. I think what started the myth was the fact that you could have some people in accidents or stroke victims who've had brain damage but were able to recover their functionality anyway. All that means is we're adaptable and neuron paths can get rewired. So it's like if a hurricane were to wipe out part of an interstate and then construction people made a whole bunch of detours. Try convincing a bunch of truckers they weren't using the road before it went down. Okay, here we are, so we'll just walk forward to start this. Okay, here he goes.
Somebody call the police! A fight's broken out!
Says his line, and man, he's moving. This reminds me of Cloverfield or the Blair Witch Project. So if you want to make your audience puke, now you know how. Back to normality. Now our scrolling sign. And as you can tell, our point view control is totally ignoring our flight path. It's just going to float off into space forever. Alright, this concludes the use of point view control. Next, I'll talk briefly about some basic camera tips.